Does scoliosis cause back pain? Today, that's the question I'm going to answer for you. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. If you've got someone who's got scoliosis, this is definitely a video you need to send over to them so that they can get the answers. Now, the real answer is that scoliosis may cause back pain. I know that's not what you want. You want yes or no. So scoliosis can be absolutely symptom-free and cause you to have no problems or pain. I've seen as high as a 40-degree scoliosis not causing any symptoms whatsoever. However, the concern that you've got to have is that when you have those shifts within your spine, because when you look at the spine, it should go straight up and down from the front. What a scoliosis is when there's a shift from side to side of the spine greater than 10 degrees that causes the tips in the back to shift or rotate one way or the other. So when there are those shifts, tips, and tilts of the vertebrae, it winds up elongating the spinal cord. So the spinal cord that comes from your brain down your spine onto every tissue, organ, and gland in your body and controls pain, then has a longer route to wind up traveling. So if you've ever tried to make one of your chargers on your phone or something like that go further than the wiring can go, it doesn't work. You gotta make sure that it's connected. So that scoliosis makes the spine have to go further. So for many people, it initially doesn't cause any problems or symptoms. And you may not even see or notice it. And for some, it can go on that way for a long time. But typically, once someone winds up having symptoms relating to pain and or organic dysfunction that have a scoliosis, the process is rapid and it's very difficult to wind up removing the symptoms just because the pain is so deep. If you or someone you know is going through this, let's hop on a discovery call to help you figure out the answers. That'll be in the show notes so that we can get you to where you need to go. If you don't know whether or not you have a scoliosis, I created a video of a 5-step check for you and your family to wind up doing. What I'm going to do is go ahead and see you over there so we can help you answer the questions of do you have a scoliosis or not and what your next steps should be.